Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This video is about the hair. So today, guys, this is my dome cap wig, and pretty much this one is not glued down yet, but with this wig that I make, I bring the tracks way toward the end. And then when I was telling you guys that I will glue the front down, and then I'll find my braid in the back of my wig. I don't want my ear to poach down like that. But I'll find it, and I'll sew the back down, and I glue the front down. But like right now, it's not glued. And I do make these to fit. So when you make these to fit, you don't really got to necessarily worry about it coming off, because this one is my measurements. And to be honest, I don't have to glue it down if I don't desire. But like when I put on my makeup and then the oil and stuff that's in my skin, I noticed that the wig would start to slip. So I like to take it and, just glue it so that it does not move at all. And then remember what I was telling you guys, I can rotate it to a center part if I want. But I kind of like wearing mines right there, guys. More to the left. That's kind of how I like wearing mine. So when you do it, and you do it on a dome cap, and you bring your hair like all the way down, you could do the rotating wigs, and then you have the ability to pull it back. So when I get a chance, I am going to glue this one down, and then I just take little pieces of the hair and pull it forward, so when the wind blow back, it looks amazing still. It still looks amazing. But, yeah, that's kind of how I'm feeling today. Alrighty, guys. You guys have an awesome day today. So I just wanted to show you guys my hair. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, this is it with the light on, because I don't know, I'm like a vampire. I am sitting in the dark. And then I think I look more like Michael Jackson when the light come on, because it enlightens my makeup. It makes me bright like Michael Jackson. But yeah, guys, that's how I do these ones. And like I say, I do glue it down. And with this, you do the wand curls. And if you want it to have that flip where it'll be away from your face and kind of give it that little bend, that little bump. But that's what it looked like with light on, guys. So there you guys go. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots. So, yeah, guys, make them dome cap wigs, and they look amazing. If you want to glue them down, you still can, or you don't have to. Make it off your measurements. So if your head is 21 inch, make your wig on a 21 inch wig block. If your head is 22, make it on a 22. If it's 23, make it on a 23. And you can apply these with no glue, adhesive, or tape. Thank you, guys. Have an awesome day. Happy wig making.